Alright, this is going to be number 17. The first thing we need to do is get our template ready. So I'm going to click on New in AutoCAD. Okay, and rather than dealing with this, I'm just going to click Open for the first one. I'm going to type in Startup, one word, Enter, Enter, New, Enter. And now I can make sure I'm in Imperial rather than metric. And I'm going to turn on my grid, and I'm going to turn on my snap, and it should look similar to this. And now I'm going to make my layers by clicking on the Layer Properties button that looks like a stack of papers with a calculator in front of it. I don't know who thought of that. And first layer is going to be Construction. I'm going to make that one yellow. Next one's going to be Object. I'm going to make that one purple this time, so hopefully it shows up better on y'all's screens. I'm going to do Hidden. I'm going to make that one red. And I need to load my hidden line, so I click on the line type. It is not here, so I click Load. Go find Hidden 2, OK. Hidden 2, OK. And now we're going to do Center. Center is going to be green. Okay. And here's this one, and we're going to load that one too. Center 2. Okay. Center 2. And double click on Construction so that the green check mark moves to it, and that becomes our current layer. Now I'm going to click under Draw, and I'm going to pick Construction Line. I have Snap on, so see how it jumps to the grid blocks. Click, pull it straight up and down. Click, right click, repeat X line. Click, straight across, click, right click, and there's what we call the big L. This is going to be the lower left hand corner of my front view. I'm going to turn off Snap because it's going to drive me crazy when I do my offsets. So the first, I'm going to type in offset, and I'm going to offset the length of the front view, which is 3 inches. Click the line, click the direction I want it to go. Enter. Right click, repeat offset 1.25. This is the distance in between. Click the line, click the direction I want it to go. Enter. Right click, repeat offset. And now I'm going to put in the width of the side view, which is 1 inch. Enter. Click the line, click the direction I want it to go. Enter. Right click, repeat offset, and we're going to go up. So the height of the front view is 1.75. Enter. Click the line. Click the direction you want it to go. Enter. Now we're going to do the distance in between, so right click, repeat offset, 1.25, enter, click the line, click the direction you want it to go, enter, right click, repeat offset. I'm going to put in the depth of the top view, and the depth of the top view and the width of the side view always have to be the same, so it's going to be 1, enter, click the line, click the direction you want it to go. Now I have my front view, my top view, and my side view. So I'm going to switch layers to my object layer. I'm going to click on line, and I'm going to come down here and make sure I have object snap turned on, and it is. To verify what objects it's going to find, I can right click and look and see which ones are highlighted. Endpoint, quadrant, intersection, center. So line. Oops, I accidentally turned it off. Line, get the X. Click, click, outline. Escape, right click, repeat line. Click, 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 right click, enter. Right click, repeat line. Click, 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 right click, enter, and there are my outlines of my views. I'm going to go ahead and put my projection line here because I know I'm probably going to need it. And that always goes in the box that looks like a square. Enter. So now I'm going to turn off my construction lines. And there's my drawing so far. Pan. And let's start with the front view.